Hi there, welcome back to the hashtags Insights for the Entrepreneurs program. As you know, the intention of this program is to leave you every week with an insight that will allow you to create bigger results in your business. So we were discussing about the 4 vitals. When we keep them in balance, that allows us to create bigger results in our business. So we discussed about the balance between constraints and the vision. We discussed about the balance between technology and leadership. So today we are going to talk about the balance between fruits versus roots. Okay, we all want fruits, but to get the fruits, we need to nourish the roots. So what am I talking about? The fruits are the results in our business. We all want to have bigger results. We all want to have healthy numbers in our business. But what are the roots? The roots are the efficiencies, business efficiencies. Unless the business efficiencies are strengthened, the results will not be generated. Okay, what does it mean? Let me share what I mean. We all do a business plan, right? We set up targets. We want to get so much revenue by so and so date. So we also did that. And then we are good in maths. We divide that into an average revenue earning per customer into number of customers will give you that result, right? To get so many number of customers, what is our conversion ratio? So how many proposals we have to submit? And then we have an opportunity to proposal ratio. So how many opportunities we need to generate? And to generate, how many leads we need to create, the lead to opportunity ratio. So we worked out all these numbers and we gave these targets to the team. What happened? The teams were trying to chase those numbers. And the impact, there's a lot of rush, there's a lot of stress. End of the day, the results are not produced. We could not achieve what we declared. We tried to change the sales persons, we tried to do many things, but it didn't happen. Then we went back and we looked at how we can transform the situation. What is required for the partners, for the customers to sign up? What kind of ecosystem that we need to build? What kind of relationships that we need to build? Those are the business efficiencies, or those are the roots. When we started focusing on what kind of partnerships that we can build with the industry, what is the purpose that our teams are created for? When we redefined the purpose of our teams, when we restated our purpose to the world, the response from the world is totally different. We started nurturing multiple collaborations. We started flowing in many more leads. We started building the entire ecosystem. So, balancing between the results versus the efficiencies. The efficiencies are the core areas of business. That's what we give. That's what is in our hands. What we give. Result is what we get. If the focus is on what we get, if we are chasing more, if we are inclined more towards what we get, we will be just chasing a mirage. So, when we focus on what we give to the world, what we get becomes a byproduct of that. So that's the insight I want to leave you with this week. Think about it. See how much your teams are chasing the results. What are the core efficiencies that they need to build? What do they need to give to the world to get the results that they want? This is the third vital, the balance between the roots and the fruits, the results versus the efficiencies. Think about it this week and discover what are the new actions that you can take to bring a perfect balance between these two. I wish you extraordinary breakthroughs in this week by taking the insight into your business. Thank you very much. Next week, we'll be talking about the fourth item. Until then, bye-bye.